Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so in this video we are going to cook homemade french fries in an air fryer. So what we need is a Go Wise USA air fryer, or any kind of air fryer would do. Go Wise USA air fryer or any kind of air fryer would do, okay? So first thing we gotta do is, what I'm using is the potatoes, okay? I got some organic golden potatoes from Trader Joe's. Those are the potatoes that I would recommend. Obviously you could use any kind of potatoes, but I would recommend using the organic golden potatoes. So here it is. First thing we're gonna do is peel the potatoes. Now I'm going to wash it and come back. Okay, once the potato is peeled, you simply cut the potatoes. And it doesn't have to be like a special cut. You could cut it however you want. If you want, you can watch videos on how to cut potatoes to be looking exactly like French fries, but you don't have to. See, these would be just fine. All right. By the way, if you are interested in an air fryer, I would recommend Go Wise USA air fryer from Amazon.com. That's where I bought my air fryer from. Okay. Okay, so now that the potatoes are cut, we are going to cut more potatoes. So I'm going to simply peel off another potato. Okay, so the potato is peeled off. Now I'm going to wash the potato and come back. Once the potato is washed, you simply cut it again. Once again, it doesn't have to be perfectly cut to be looking like a French fries. You can cut it however you want. However, if you want to cut it to make it look like a perfect French fries, you can use it. You know how to cut potatoes. Okay. All right. Let me show you. So here are the potatoes cut. Here's the air fryer, Go Wise USA. So the next thing, I still have, let's see. All right. So, okay. So I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am going to cut 5 more potatoes, and obviously you could repeat the process for how many or however amount of potatoes that you want. I'm going to pause the video, peel off these potatoes, cut them up, and then I'll be back. Okay, so before you make the French fries in the air fryer, make sure to warm up the air fryer for 5 minutes on 400 degrees. Okay, so I already did that. Now I'm going to put this is a olive oil spray once again that I got from Trader Joe's. I'm going to simply put the olive oil spray, just spray the inside the air fryer bucket. Okay, that's it. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put the cut potatoes inside the bucket. See? That's the next step. It's not hard. All we did is we got the potatoes, organic golden potatoes. We peeled them off, and then I washed the potatoes, cut the potatoes, warm up the air fryer on 400 degrees for 5 minutes, and now we put the French fries inside. Okay. I still have 2 more potatoes to cut. Cutting the potatoes. Still have 2 more. Okay. And we just put more potatoes inside. And the good thing about the olive oil spray, it has 0 everything. 0 calories, total fat 0, sodium 0, protein 0. And I'm going to peel off the one last potato. Then I'm going to cut it. See? Yeah, this is good attention, you're right. Alright. Okay, finally we have all the potatoes, so we could go on to the next step. Okay. Okay, the golden potatoes are ready to fry. Once you put the golden potatoes in, you spray it one more time. All over, see? Okay. Now I'm going to put this aside. Now I'm going to add some ingredients. So let's start with garlic powder. There we go. It's called California garlic powder. Once again, purchased from Trader Joe's. And all I'm going to do is open it up. All we're going to do is add some garlic powder into the air fryer. See, some garlic powder. And not too much, just a little bit. The next ingredient I'm going to add is salt and pepper. Here's the pepper, once again purchased from Trader Joe's. You just add some salt. Pepper. And then I add some salt, pink salt crystals, but it could be any salt. Trader Joe's again. Okay, and then I shake it. Put it back in the bucket. Okay, here's the important part. Once you put it in the air fryer, okay? Once you put it in there, this is one of the most important parts. Turn it on, temperature at 400 degrees. 400 degrees. The time, 20 minutes. Boom. 400 degrees, 20 minutes. And you, on the 10-minute mark, you open it and you shake it again and you put it back. So I'm going to pause the video, and when the 10-minute is up, I'll come back to show you how to pause and open. It's good attention, bro. Yeah, it's cooking. How to pause. Okay, the potatoes or the French fries is ready. Let me show you. What I did not show you is that, okay, so I'm cooking it on 400 degrees for 20 minutes. But in the middle, right, in the 10-minute mark, or like one or two times, basically, you need to pause, open it and shake it, okay? There's a pause and play button on the air fryer. So 1 or 2 minutes, you want to pause it. And once you pause it, it allows you to take it out and shake it and put it back, and then it continues on. So now let me show you what I got, the complete picture. Okay. Boom. There's the potatoes. Organic golden potatoes. Now we put it in our plate. Very good. I could add more salt and pepper if I want, but it looks good. I don't need to. All I'm gonna do is get some ketchup. Just add some ketchup, okay? Ketchup. Or whatever sauce you want. See? Now the French fries is ready to go. So ladies and gentlemen, that's how you make organic or homemade. That's how you make homemade French fries. It's that easy. And to sum it up, you need an air fryer, obviously, and the one I would recommend is GoWise USA from Amazon.com, okay, which is right over here. And you want to cook it on 400 degrees for 20 minutes. And in the middle of cooking, you want to pause it. You need to pause it and open it and shake it. Okay, you could add salt and pepper and garlic powder. Salt and pepper and garlic powder. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, to sum everything up, you wash the potatoes, then you slice your potatoes, okay, you cut them up, and then you toss with oil, but it doesn't have to be the oil, you know, you could use the spray that I use, and then salt and pepper and place in the air fryer basket. Air fry for 20 minutes at 400 degrees, open the basket, and shake fries a couple of times throughout the cook cycle. And you can always add more salt and pepper if needed. Now I'm going to go and enjoy my French fries.